In short, the Declaration serves as a birth certificate of a new nation. Like the birth certificate of an individual human being, the Declaration establishes the nation's existence, and more than that, it establishes the nation's legitimacy. The Declaration actually reads like a formal complaint filed in a court of law. The first paragraph states the nation's cause of action, a claim of right under the laws of nature and of nature's God to be recognized as an independent nation and equal to the former mother country. The second paragraph sets forth more specifically the law upon which the people of America believed entitled them to abolish the previous form of government and to institute a new government. And the next 31 paragraphs set forth the facts upon which this legal claim rests. And then the last paragraph, just as would be if it were a complaint filed in a court of law, is a prayer for relief addressed to the supreme judge of the world. Now, as John Locke wrote in his second treatise of government, where there is no judge on earth, the appeal lies to the God of heaven. Locke, in turn, relied upon the witness of the laws of nature's God as recorded in Judges chapter 11, verse 27, where Israel's 10th judge, Jephthah, before going into battle with the Ammonites over their conflicting territorial claims, said this, "The Lord, the judge, be judged this day between the children of Israel and the children of Ammon." So our forefathers made the same appeal to the same judge that Jephthah made at the time of the judges. As God vindicated Jephthah's complaint that Ammon doeth wrong to war against Israel, thereby preserving his nation's birthright, so John Hancock and his Declaration co-signers sought God's judgment against Great Britain's tyranny and thereby established the birthright of these United States as free and independent states. And I'm quoting from Deuteronomy, "Ye shall do no unrighteousness in judgment. Thou shalt not respect the person of the poor, nor honor the person of the mighty." Notice who comes first. Don't respect the person of the poor. Don't respect the person of the mighty. "But in righteousness shalt thou judge thy neighbor." In 1896, Justice John Marshall Harlan wrote in dissent to a ruling that the law could make distinctions based on race so long as the separate races were treated equally. And here's what he said. "There is no caste here. Our Constitution is colorblind and neither knows nor tolerates classes among citizens. In respect of civil rights, all citizens are equal before the law. The humblest is the peer of the most powerful. The law regards man as man." Liberty. Engraved on the Jefferson Memorial are these words, "God who gave us life gave us liberty. And can the liberties of a nation be thought secure when we have removed their only firm basis, a conviction in the minds of the people that these liberties are a gift of God?" As a perpetual reminder of this self-evident truth, etched into the Liberty Bell that originally hung in the steeple in Independence Hall in Philadelphia are these words from Leviticus 23:10. "Proclaim liberty throughout all the land to all the inhabitants thereof." Of the three unalienable rights listed in the Declaration, the most in danger of being hijacked is the pursuit of happiness. Happiness as a self-evident truth was measured by one's relationship to God in life upon the earth. Thus, the foremost definition of happiness in Noah Webster's 1828 dictionary was the agreeable sensations which spring from the enjoyment of good. Further, Webster stated that he can only be esteemed really and permanently happy who enjoys peace of mind in the favor of God. The Declaration of Independence, a Christian document, impossible to understand other than through the prism of the Holy Scriptures and God's will revealed in nature.